Can fuel additives clean my fuel injectors? Have you ever wondered if those colorful bottles of fuel additives can really make a difference in your car? Today, we are going to tackle the question, can fuel additives clean my fuel injectors? Fuel injectors play a vital role in how your car runs. They are tiny nozzles that spray fuel into the engine's combustion chamber. Over time, dirt and carbon deposits can clog these injectors, leading to poor fuel efficiency and rough idling. So, how do fuel additives fit into this picture? Fuel injector cleaning additives are designed to mix with the fuel in your gas tank. As you drive, these additives travel through the fuel system. They contain special detergents that work to dissolve and remove those harmful deposits. This process helps restore the proper spray pattern of the injectors, which is essential for efficient combustion. For teenagers who are just starting to learn about car maintenance, using a fuel injector cleaner can be a smart move. It is a simple and cost-effective way to keep your vehicle running smoothly. By ensuring that fuel is burned properly, you can maximize your miles per gallon. This means less wasted gas and a smoother driving experience. Just remember, the effects of these additives are gradual. You might need to use several tanks of treated fuel before you notice any real improvements. However, it is important to keep in mind that fuel additives are not a cure-all. If your car is facing major engine problems or injector failures, it is best to consult a trusted mechanic. Regular maintenance, like oil changes and using good quality fuel, is also key to keeping your engine healthy. In summary, fuel additives can indeed help clean fuel injectors by removing harmful deposits. This can lead to better fuel efficiency and improved engine performance. For teen drivers, incorporating these additives into your routine car care can support better fuel economy and smoother driving. Just remember to use them as a supplement to regular maintenance, not a replacement.